तो आज मैं आपको एक ऐसा कैंपेन बताने वाला हूँ विच कैन डबल योर रोआस, रिड्यूस योर लीड कॉस्ट बाय हाफ, और आपको सिर्फ उसे एक बार बनाना है. यू कैन रन इट फॉर लाइफ टाइम. जस्ट आपको एड्स चेंज करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रीमार्केटिंग कैंपेन. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, रीमार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स आर कैंपेन्स विच आर टारगेटेड टूवर्ड्स द यूजर्स who have already interacted with your business in the past. So आप उनको दोबारा रीच आउट कर रहे हैं. और इस कैंपेन में मैं 5 ऐसी ऑडियंसेस यूज़ करूँगा जो कोई भी क्रिएट कर सकता है वेरी इजीली. मैं खुद ये ऑडियंसेस यूज़ करता हूँ अपने लिए और अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए भी. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स जंप डायरेक्टली इनटू द वीडियो. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं अपने एड मैनेजर अकाउंट में आ चुका हूँ. एंड पहले हम वो 5 ऑडियंसेस बना लेते हैं जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. सो टू क्रिएट दोज ऑडियंसेस, आपको यहाँ पे जो मेन्यू है इस पर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा, ऑल टूल्स, एंड देन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन ऑडियंसेस सेक्शन फ्रॉम हेयर. तो एक बार आप ऑडियंसेस में आ गए, यू कैन सी आई एम ऑन माई ऑडियंस टैब. यहाँ पे आपको ये 5 ऑडियंसेस बनानी पड़ेंगी पहले, कस्टम ऑडियंसेस, so that you can use those audiences in the campaign. So for that, let's create the audience, first audience. So if you click on create audience and then custom audience, so सबसे easiest audience जो है वो होती है website traffic audience, all the people who have visited your website in the past. So let's create that audience, the first option. Click on next. So this is the easiest type of audience which anybody can create. अगर आपके पास वेबसाइट है, उस वेबसाइट पर ट्रैफिक है, तो you can reach out to all those people with this audience. So यहाँ पे as you can see the pixel is selected and then all website visitors. या तो आप all website visitors के साथ जा सकते हैं, और you can go with a specific web page also. अगर आप ओनली उन यूज़र्स को टारगेट करना चाहते हैं जो कि पर्टिकुलर एक लैंडिंग पेज पे जा रहे हैं. बट आई विल गो विद ऑल वेबसाइट विजिटर्स इन दिस केस एंड मेक इट फॉर लास्ट 180 days. Okay. So in the past 180 days, whoever visited the website, I want to create an audience out of those people. And then audience name यहाँ पे मैं डाल दूँगा, which will be all website visitors for past 180 days. And then I'll create a audience. Click on create. That's it. I already have this audience, so I will not create it. You can see it here, website visitors for past 180 days. Now next audience is going to be again I will go and follow the same steps, create audience, custom audience, and the next audience I will create is my customer list. So if I have email IDs of my customers already with me, बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस के पास ये डेटा ऑलरेडी होता है, दे कलेक्ट दिस डेटा. सो इफ़ यू हैव दोज ईमेल आईडीज़, यू कैन अपलोड दोज ईमेल आईडीज़ विद दिस ऑप्शन, customer list. Just click on next from here. First you just need to download this template, and then in that template fill out the email IDs, names, and all of those fields which are mentioned, and then just click on next and upload the audiences. It will take you through all those steps to upload the audience. So you can also reach out to all these people, all these email IDs which you have with the help of Facebook ads. So that's the second most easiest type of audience which you can create to reach out to the people. Okay. So I'll not create an audience. Again, I have this already in the audience already, lead data here. You can see in the audience manager for me. It is a very easy step. Just follow the steps. You will be able to upload this audience onto Facebook. Now let's create the third audience, custom audience, and that will be the Instagram engaged audience. So this is also one of the easiest audience anybody can create. बहुत सारे businesses के बाद Instagram accounts होते हैं. They are active on those accounts, sometimes not so active, but you can still create audiences out of people who have engaged with your Instagram account or Instagram post or Instagram ads. Anything, any way they have engaged with your Instagram accounts, you can create audience all of with all of those people. So click on Instagram account and click on next. So in this case, you can see here my Instagram account is selected. I just need to go with everyone who has engaged with the Instagram account. So I usually use this one. You can use others also. There are multiple different options. And then for last, I'll keep it as last 365 days data. So anybody who has visited my Instagram accounts in the last 365 days, I will create audience out of those people, and then I will name it as IG engaged audience for last 365 days and create the audience. Again, I will not create this because I already have, you can see here, Instagram engaged for last 365 days. Next audience which we will create is going to be the fourth audience, Facebook page engaged audience. Again, many people have Facebook pages and they are active on Facebook pages. So all the people who have interacted with the Facebook page, you can create audience out of those people as well. So click on Facebook page from here, click on next, and then if you see my Facebook page is already selected here, I will go with everyone who engaged with your page. There are other options also you can go with, but I'll go with this one, last 365 days. I will name it as Facebook page engaged for last 365 days and create the audience. You can change this data also if you are very active in account and you see that a lot of people are engaging with your these pages, Instagram page or Facebook page. You can reduce this to 180 days also, which is 6 months, or 90 days also, but I would recommend keep it as 365 because most of the small businesses don't have that much data. So this is another type of audience. Click on create, and I already have this audience, Facebook engaged audience for last 365 days. So that's a fourth type of audience. The next type is, again, go through the same steps, and that is going to be the video viewers. So if you have uploaded videos to your Facebook page, Instagram page, or if you have run the video ads from your Facebook or Instagram in the past, you can create audience out of people who have watched your video. So let's see how to create that. Click on videos, next, because these are also the people who have already interacted with your business, right? So it is asking me to choose the engagement. So it is giving me option. You want to create audience out of people who have watched 3 second, 10 second, 15 second, or 25% video, 50% of the video. So I usually create 25% of the video viewers. So it is like I don't have to be very specific with the seconds or time. I can just go with anybody who has watched 25% of my video and above. It'll create audience out of those people. So once you have selected this, you can click on choose video, because now you have to choose the video from which you want to create the audience. So you can see my Facebook page is already selected here. All you have to do is select the Facebook page and choose the type of source. So as I said, you can choose Facebook page, Instagram page, campaign, video IDs, all of these things. Also you can add the video ID if you already know. Usually, if you have run the campaigns in the past, go with the campaign and choose the campaign here which you have run. For example, this was one of the campaign I've run, and I can select all of these people already. So anybody, let's say for this video, I'll just choose this one video. Anybody who has watched 25% of this video, I'm creating audience out of those. You can select multiple videos from here. Likewise, you can again go back and choose the Facebook page, all of those things as well. Select multiple videos from here and then click on confirm. Once the video is selected, then retention, again you can go with 365, 180, whatever. I'll go with 365 because this video was I have run it little while back. And also you can go with 365 as well, unless and until you're running or uploading a lot of videos to your Facebook page or running a lot of ads, video ads. So now I just need to give a name to this. So video viewers in past, let's say 365 days, 365. You can give a little more descriptive name as well. So this one I didn't had, so I just created it and done. So these are the 5 different types of audiences which you can create and use immediately for your business. Now we just need to go back to our ads manager. So you can click here, all tools, go to ads manager. Here I'm in my ads manager, create a campaign. So I will not really create go through all the steps. Let's say I want to create a leads campaign. So in this case, leads, done, I will go to my ad set directly and I'll tell you how to actually use these audiences here. So you just need to come down, and here is where you use the custom audience. So all the audiences which we have created, so let's say video viewers in last 365 days, and then there was, you can search for Facebook FB custom audience, FB engaged, and then there was IG engaged. So here is IG engaged. There was list, so lead data I had, yes, so that's a fourth audience. And then I had website visitors, so website visitors. Now you can see this is the type of audience we are going to use, all these audience in one single ad set, in one single campaign. And now this campaign you can run, it's like forever, because all these audiences are going to be updated again and again, as and when you go, your ads are running, more traffic is coming, all of those data will be feeded into this particular campaign, and you can reach out to newer audience for infinite number of times. One more thing, you see this advantage custom audience, please uncheck this option, because with this option it's like it's reaching out to more people, and we don't want that. We just want to reach out to only these people which we have targeted. So use this audience, make sure that in this particular campaign you use your best performing ads that will give you even better results, because since you are going to reach out to all the people who have visited your website, who have interacted with your business, if you show the best performing ads to those people, there are high chances that these people will convert. So this is also one of the type of remarketing campaign which you can create. There are other types also you can create. Let's say if you're running a catalog ads, so you can create a remarketing campaign with a catalog. That will be very hyper focused campaign, and I can talk about that campaign on some other video. So use this audience, let me know about the results. If you what are the types of results you're getting, make sure you use the right objective also with this audience. And this is one of the best bottom funnel campaign you can ever create. I have seen very good results with this campaign. This is the type of campaign, even if you have very small budgets, I will start with this particular campaign first, but make sure you have the data. Your website needs some data, your videos need some views, your Instagram needs some engagement. If all of those things are not there, this campaign is not going to work. So first build that audience, the upper funnel. This is the bottom funnel, and this is one of the best campaign you can use for your bottom funnel strategy. As I said, let me know if you have any questions. If it brought you good results, let me know that also. You can just ping me on Instagram as well, that this campaign has brought you some results. I would be happy to hear that. You can drop the comment in the comment section as well. You can also check on my Facebook ad course. All the links will be in the description, and I will meet you in the next video very soon. Thank you.